Morning all. In our last presentation, we seen the how to solve the how to write the matrices for the given networks. Okay. This class I am going to explain the how to write the matrices for given graphs, oriented graphs. Okay. So we have a different kinds of problems. Okay. This is another kind. Okay. So in the problem they given the oriented graph. For this oriented graph, we have to write the insert matrix and trie-set matrix and cut set matrix, fundamental cut set matrix. Okay. So for this one, we have a 4 nodes 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the number of peaks will be n minus 1. That is 4 minus 1. We have a 3 peaks. Okay. So the peaks I am considering as a 4, 5, 6. I am considering in this network 4, 5, 6 as the peaks and 1, 2, 3 as the links. Okay. So I have to write the first matrix as instant matrix. First I have to write the versus the nodes versus the branches. Okay. For a first node, associated branches are 1, 4, and 2. Okay. 1 is incoming, 4 is outgoing, 2 is outgoing. So 1 is incoming means minus 1, 4 is outgoing plus 1, 2 is outgoing plus 1. For a second node, associated branches are 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So 4 is incoming, 5 is outgoing, 6 is outgoing. So 4 is incoming minus 1, 5 is outgoing plus 1, 6 is outgoing plus 1. For a third node, okay, associated branches are 2, 5, 3. 2 is incoming, 3 is outgoing, 5 is incoming, 2 is incoming minus 1, 2 is incoming minus 1, 3 is outgoing plus 1, 5 is incoming minus 1. Okay. For a fourth node, associated branches are 1, 6, and 3. Okay. So 1 is outgoing means plus 1, 6 is incoming means minus 1, 3 is incoming means minus 1, 1, minus 3, minus 1. Okay. Remaining all we are placing as a zeros. Okay. So this is our basic incident matrix. Okay. From a basic incident matrix, we have to write the matrix A, that is incident matrix, by removing the reference node, that is the last row. I am removing the fourth one. So for a node 1 and node 2, node 3, with respect to 6 branches, we get the incident matrix A. Okay. For the second one, we are writing the tie-set matrix. For a tie-set matrix, we are writing for the trees. Okay. So as I said earlier, 2, 1, 2, 3 are the links. Okay. For writing the tie-set matrix, we have to consider the loops. Okay. So we have a loops of 1, 4, 6. That is the first loop is this one. Second loop 2, 2, 4, 5 is second loop, and 3, 5, 6 is my third loop. Okay. So first loop, second loop, and third loop. Okay. Always loop direction and the link direction is same. Okay. If I consider this direction, 1 is following the same, 4 is following the same, 6 is following the same. So if the direction is same means we have to place plus ones. Okay. So 1 is positive 1, 4 is positive 1, 6 is positive 1. So I am placing this ones. Okay. For a second loop, I have to consider the loop direction and the link direction is same means for a loop 2, 1 is 2 is same, 5 is opposing, 4 is opposing. Means opposing means we have to write minus 1 means 2 is plus 1, 4 is minus 1, 5 is minus 1. Okay. For a third loop, okay. So loop 3 direction always has to consider with respect to the direction of link, that is this one. So if this is with the direction means 6 is opposing, 5 is same. Opposing means minus 1. For a 6 we are placing minus 1. For a 5 we are placing plus 1, and the 3 I am placing 1. Okay. Similarly, the fundamental cut set matrix. Okay. So the number of cut sets is equals to the number of peaks. Okay. So how to consider, how to cut, we have only one pick and n number of links. Okay. So and without having the closure path. So for this one, okay, for a first cut set is associated with the 1, 4, 2. So this is my first cut set. Second cut set is 5, 5, 2, 3. So this is my second cut set. Third cut set 6, 1, 3. This is my third cut set. Okay. So always the cut set direction, the click direction must be same. So if I consider fourth direction means fourth element direction. Fourth element direction, second element is following the same, first element is opposing. So for opposing means we have to place minus 1. So 1 I am placing minus 1, 2 I am placing plus 1, 4 I am placing plus 1. Okay. For a second, this one, Okay, I have to consider cut set direction, the quick direction must be same. So if this is be the direction means 2 is following the same, 3 is opposing. So 2, 5, 3 are the associated one. Out of these three, 2 and 5 are same with respect to the cut set and 3 is opposing. So I have to place 2 and 5 as 2 plus 1 and 3 as minus 1. For a third cut set, okay, for a third cut set, associated branches are 1, 6, 3. Okay, I have to consider the cut set direction is sixth direction. Okay, for the sixth branch direction, third is following the same, one is opposing. Means for a 1, I have to place minus 1. For a 3, I have to place plus 1. For a 6, plus 1. So this is the fundamental cut set matrix. Similar way, another problem. Okay, so we have a given oriented graph. In that graph we have a 1 2 3 4 5 are the nodes. Okay, means the number of nodes is 5. So the number of twigs is always n minus 1. 5 minus 1, that is 4 twigs we have to consider. So branch 1 is a twig, 2 is a twig, and 3 is a twig. Okay, so these 4 are the twigs. Okay, 1 2 3 4 are the twigs and 5 6 7 are the links. Okay, in the problem itself they gave the way which are be the twigs and which are be the links. Okay, so for this one we have to write the incident and cut set and the tie set matrices. For a first one, first node is associated with the branch 1 and 2, both are outgoing, means both are positive ones. For a second node, branch 2 is incoming, branch 3 is outgoing, branch 5 is outgoing. Okay, so incoming means minus 1, so 2 I am placing minus 1, 3 and 5 plus 1s. Okay, for the third node, okay, third node is associated with 3 and 4. So 3 is incoming, 4 is outgoing. So 3 incoming means minus 1, 4 outgoing means plus 1. For a fourth node is associated with the 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, in that 4, 5, 7 are the incomings, 6 is outgoing. So 4, 5, 7 are the incomings. So I have to place 4, 5, 7 as minus 1, 6 as incoming means plus 1. Okay, for a fifth node, okay, for a fifth node associated branches are 1, 6, 7. 1, 6 are the incomings, 7 is outgoing. So 1, 6 I am placing minus 1 and outgoing 7 I am placing as a plus 1. Okay, by removing the last row, okay, we'll get the incident matrix A. Okay, similarly I am writing for the tie set matrix, means we have to consider the loops. Okay, the first loop is this one, 1 2 3 4 6, this is my first loop, and similarly 1 2 3 4 7 is second loop, and 3 4 5 is the third loop. We have a 3 different loops, 1 2 3 4 6, this one is a first loop, and 1 2 3 4 7 is the second loop, and 3 4 5 are the third 3 loops. Okay, so this is 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 6, sorry, 1 2 3 4 6 and 1 2 3 4 7. Okay, so first I am considering the for a first loop, that is 5, 3 4 5. I have to consider fifth direction as same, means 5 is same, fourth is opposing, 3 is opposing, means minus 1 minus 1, 3 and 4 plus 1 is per 5. For a second tie set, second loop, okay, loop direction is the sixth, link direction, that is sixth direction. 1 is opposing, 2 is same, 3 is same, 4 is same. So 1 for 1 we have to place minus 1, 2 3 4 6 we have to place plus 1. That is what I did. Okay, for a second, third loop, okay, we have to consider this is be the loop. Okay, means we have to consider loop direction and the link direction must be same. So the seventh loop, the seventh direction, okay, for this direction 4 opposing, 3 opposing, 2 opposing, 1 same. Okay, so for 1 we have to place plus 1, 2 3 4 2 3 4 we have to place minus 1. So 1 I am placing plus 1, 2 3 4 I am placing minus 1. Okay, so for this one we have a cut set. How to cut set? Only one branch and n number of twigs. Okay, sorry, only one twig, n number of links. Okay, so for a first cut set 1 6 7, that is 1 6 and 7. So this is my first cut set. Okay, at node 5. Okay, second cut set 2 6 7, that is 2 and the 6 and 7. So this is my second cut set. Okay, 2 6 7. Third cut set 3 5 6 7, 3 3 5 6, 7. So this is my third cut set, and fourth cut set 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. So at node 4. Okay. So always we have to consider the node 1, sorry, the tweak direction and the cut set direction must be same. For this one, associated branches are 1, 6, 7. Okay, we have to consider first direction. So for the first direction, 6 is same, 7th is opposing. So for a 7, I am placing -1, 1, 6, I am placing +1. Second one is 2, 6, 7. That is 2, 6, 7. Okay, for this one, we have to consider second direction. Okay, for a second direction, 6 is opposing, 7 is same. Okay, so 2, 6, 7. 6 is opposing, 7 is same. Okay, opposing means -1, same means +1. Third one, okay, third cut set is 3, 5, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this is our third cut set. Okay, for this one, quick direction is this. I mean, quick direction is third one, fifth following the same, sixth is opposing, 7 is the same. Okay, so for third one, 3 is same, fifth is same, sixth is opposing, 7 is same. So I am placing for the same positive ones, for opposing -1s. Fourth one is associated with 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. For the fourth direction, 50 following the same, 6 opposing, 7 following the same. So I am placing as per the, if the direction is same means we have to place +1, opposing means -1. Okay, hope you understood, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.